NVIDIA made a strategic shift in the age of AI. It moved beyond shipping chips to building the full stack for accelerated computing, including GPUs, networking, systems, software, and AI factory infrastructure. That shift brings to life something I call clearing the strategy blur. Human leadership remains above the system. The purpose of computing acceleration sets a North Star. Judgment anticipates where AI workloads are moving and where to invest ahead of demand, while governance protects security, accountability, and trust as the infrastructure scales. Then, the B.L.U.R engine moves. Boundaryless Intelligence connects developers, models, data, cloud providers, and enterprises. Limitless Leverage makes hardware, CUDA software, networking, and partnerships compound. Unbounded Execution shortens the path from architecture to deployment through a rapid cadence. And last but not the least, Relentless Reinvention takes NVIDIA from gaming graphics to data centers, AI factories, and now agentic and physical AI. The outcome is evident. In fiscal 2026, NVIDIA reported record revenue of $215.9 billion, up 65%, while data center revenue reached $193.7 billion, up 68%. This was not the result of one product. It was a strategy converted into performance readiness. At KNOLSKAPE, we help leaders make that conversion, aligning people, processes, trusted data, clear metrics, adaptive capability, and responsible governance through immersive, simulated experiences and AI-powered systems. So, here is a question I leave with you. Is your organization simply adding AI to its strategy, or building the readiness to reinvent AI's role in the value chain just like NVIDIA? This is a Readiness Report with Rajiv. See you next week.